Hello, this is Cam United Credit doing another proof video on our trade lines. This particular gentleman got a Wells Fargo. This is a CPN, so it's pretty blank. Well, actually, it was blank before he got the trade line. Let me see what the score was here. 760. Now, why did he get 760? Let me explain to you why it came so high with one trade line. Wells Fargo. I always tell people the key to boosting your credit is average age, and that's what trade lines are for, increasing average age. So look at this, it's 2013. This is about a 9-year trade line. The limit is 13,000, but the years are 9 years. So always go for years, especially when you have a lot of new accounts. This is the key to boosting your score with a trade line. Average age, increasing average age. Only way a high limit can help you boost your scores if you have high utilization or high balance on your credit cards. And even then, you still want to increase your average age. But the main secret is increasing average age. Look at 760. If you have a lot of accounts, sometimes a trade line may not help you. If you have 10, 15, 20 accounts, then the average age may not be increased because the formula is the age of all the accounts divided by the number of accounts. So if you have a lot of accounts, then your average age will not increase dramatically because you have a lot of accounts, and when you're dividing by a higher number, the average will go down. So keep that in mind. So we have other trade lines. Get on our trade line list, tradelines.biz. Also, before you buy, you can call us for a free consultation. We can actually review your profile for free and let you know whether or not a trade line can help you do a free analysis. And that's it. Subscribe to our channel for updates on our trade lines. Also, we're still doing credit repair. Our creditsweeps.us for more information there. I'll put a link in the description box. But the main thing is trade lines. That's our main specialty, trade lines. Also, we do trade lines on CPNs as well. Call us for any details or subscribe to the channel.